You are not even getting it right, sir. Jack Onde did extremely well. I got a property at Apapa Road. Good. Jack Onde Progressive Estate at Apapa Road. Where Jack Onde, my grandma, left it for us. Now Tinubu should tell us where he left people to live. Good. Jack Onde has done the right thing. He was the one who bought Toyota 2011 model for Jack Onde on his birthday. The man did not do. The man had done like Tinubu. What are you telling us? He did not
Hot them with the truth,
what
man.
He was meant to do and he left. Godfatherism must end. How can you tell me a 36, 37 years old boy cannot run for councillorship without knowing you? And you have Adetamola Richard Kasumu is in House of Assembly there in Alausa. He came to constituency 2. He's my mate. I went to CMS, the first secondary school in Nigeria. He went to King's College and he's my friend. In Bariga, you cannot tell me you now brought him. He could not run his mother's school. Modupe Memorial. There at Magodo. He could not run it.
Speak, brother.
You are not telling me that if I, Onoso Babatunde, cannot run as councillor in ordinary ghetto of Bariga, I am an Nigeria boy. He cannot run ordinary. Everybody loves us. We cannot run except Godfatherism comes in. Now look at me. Crying yesterday was it when we worked at Shad praying and working for Nigeria. I was crying in my own house that I could not. Have I ever got into ordinary Somolu local government to just see the chairman? You can never do it. It's not fair. We must end it. Now is the time. It's not fair. Now is the time.
Yes, it's the time. Now is the time.
I came and they were treating me like a thief. I was a British born.
Uhuru.
I just came. I wanted to go back.
Uhuru.
Freedom must be achieved.
Who come now? Tinubu, we had. He has what? He has gone back to Nigeria.
No more bullion van.
No more bullion van.
No more bullion van.
No more bullion van.
This is just the beginning.
We can now see.
We are calling. I'm not calling. We should be doing name calling now.
Atiku,
Kasumu.
Number 1.
Babangida. No, we are talking about youth like us.
More.
You can't tell me that you want to go for something in Nigeria. No, except they speak with you. You are your girlfriends. I'm telling you now that they are shouting is because we locked down Lekki. If we didn't lock down Lekki, nothing will happen.
It's no longer business
Correct.
as usual.
It's no longer business as usual.
Preach on,
now,
brother.
What we are saying is this, very, very simple. Our fathers and our mothers, like you, that you have already failed our generation.
Yes, I apologize.
Preach on, brother.
I cannot bring the child down to this world because I am fair. I cannot bring them down to Nigeria. It is painful. It is painful. Now you are telling us that we should what? We are lazy. Now that we are woken up, she has woken up, he has woken up. You are not telling us that. Now we are what? We are disrupting. We want the one Nigeria. We don't want to split. If you want us to split, you must do everything that you've seen. Your children, we must know the school they go to here. You must do the same basic amenities we enjoy in the UK, in Canada, in America, for us back in Nigeria. Go and see my place. Ilaja is a slum. That is where I grew up from. I am very, very brave and articulate. Nothing happened to me. I can speak and write. I studied myself. I went to school, free up my money. How can you not tell me that my own friend, because I went to a public school, CMS, he went to King's College. He could not maintain his mother's school. He used everything. I'm saying, I'm calling him out now. Adetamola Richard Kasumu, Ikeja, constituency 2. I don't want to know. You are not telling me he's out of assembly. Because the anointed one in Bariga, ordinary councillor, I could not become because I don't know you, Tinubu, because I don't know Buhari, because I don't know Shibajo. So hell, Godfatherism needs to end now. Look at me now in another man's land. Look at what I'm wearing. If I dare this, Sars, he got it on that Sars, he go kill me. Eje, Sars, he will kill me. The only DPO we all respect is one SCP, Titilaju Ayoshagu, who said iPhone no be gone. He was one who brought it out. Titilaju Ayoshagu, SCP Titilaju Ayoshagu was one that said it out. iPhone no be gone. It is not fair. Look at it now. My generation at 4 phone. Now okay. May we know where you dey. May we know where you dey. We are tired. We are not saying your children should not come here. I am Papa today. We are not saying don't come here. My brother, don't let them divide us. I am not Igbo now. I am not Yoruba. I'm not Hausa. I am a Nigerian.
Pick up, brother. Pick up, brother.
I don't want to tell yourself, we don't have representative, my brother. I am a voice, she is a voice. We have voices, and that's what you call a voice. I'm telling you, it's painful. It's painful. Why would my people say they want me? And you tell me that, come on, what does that? Sorrow niye. I think I sorrow okay now.
Okay now.
It's painful now. I have 3 color. Color means piggy bank.
Piggy bank, yeah.
I'll start putting money inside there so that I can travel. I come and see the world myself.
Crazy, man.
It's painful. I went to Olabisi Onabanjo University. It's painful. We knew what we went through at Olabisi Onabanjo University.
True.
You still made us like clowns. It's unfair. I am calling out my own mates to come out on debate, national TV. Adedamola Richard Kasubu. If I don't know anybody, I know him. We once stayed in Bariga, where Yaloja, his so-called mother, lived. It's a lie. They elevated him, the person that cannot hold Modupe Memorial. Let's be accountable. We will hold all of them accountable. If you know them, and I know them, and you don't fish them out, you have failed our generation. If I'm repeating, you know them, and you don't fish them out. I'm telling you, let's sit by side by side. I sit in the tram, I sit in the train. No, I don't need you. You're looking good, I'm looking good. So fuck what? But I cannot sit with Sheyi Tinubu. You're already telling him, Ojeko, you're already campaigning for your child for the next, what? Governor of Lagos State.
That is sad, man.
It's very sad, my brother. Let's just sorrow, okay? Let's just sorrow.
Enough is enough.
Enough is enough.
Enough is enough.
Candles. We bought candles. We bought the candles now. We bought candles. I'm telling you, you can't just unpick all of them. Jack on there never unpicked you. Jack on there never unpicked Tinubu. Jack on there did his part and he left and he made remarks. He made a landmark. What did Tinubu do? We are not saying you're a bad person, but we are calling you out. Treat us the way you treat Sheyi Ojueko. I cannot go to what? I cannot go to any club that Sheyi is because they will bounce me. It's not fair. But I am calling my own friend, my own sake. I'm calling him out. How would you tell me, as vibrant as I am, I cannot hold my own constituents? Ordinary councillorship. Until I know you, until I yield to your truth. It's unfair. It's unrealistic.